Hello everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to integrate cursor with the Chrome MCP Server. So first of all, we have to download the Chrome extension. I know that there is Chrome extension in these extensions, but it doesn't work. So you have to download this extension. As you can see here, you will find the link in the description. So for me, I already downloaded, as you can see here. Yes. So you have to extract it here and you will have those files. So second, we'll go to Chrome. So we go here, manage extensions. We will load unpacked extensions. So now we will select the extension that we have downloaded. It will be something like this. So this is our extension. So now what you have to do is to go to cursor. So we go to parameter, tools and MCP. Here, as you can see, our browser is already checked. It's automatically done. So we go to added custom MCP. You add this MCP server. Yeah, and you save it. So as you can see, my MCP now is loading its tools. So now what we're gonna do is we go back to the extension. I think it's now working. We go to MCP server and we try to connect. Okay, as you can see here, the server is running, and what we should see is, I think we have to reload this MCP server, the cursor. So what we do is, okay, and now we reopen it. Yeah, as you can see, it turns to green. Yeah, that's it. So I think you don't need to finish that chat. I think all what you have to do is to, I forgot to press connect here. Yeah, and now you have your server running. So each time you want to use the MCP Chrome, you have to just activate this one. And when you want to disable it, you just, yeah, disable it. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, just drop a like and subscribe. Thank you.